So now let's monitor the pipeline with Azure Monitor. Okay, so search here monitor, and this one monitor, click on it, and you can see here are a lot of things like alerts, metrics, logs, analytics, workbooks. All right, so click here on metrics. Now if we expand the resource group, then we can see there are multiple Azure services which we can monitor. Let's choose Data Factory, apply. These are the metrics that we can monitor, and for the metric, let's say failed pipeline runs metric, and let's set it to count. All right, let's add another metric, and this time it will be for pipeline runs metric. This will be when the pipeline succeeds, and this will be for when the pipeline fails. Okay,